Did you know some cheeses are considered legally alive? That's because they're packed with living bacteria that make them taste amazing. Cheese is one of the oldest foods we still eat, older than the pyramids, older than writing itself. Before people carved stories into stone, they were already pressing milk into cheese. Archaeologists have found ancient pottery from Poland, dating back to 5500 BCE, believed to be cheese strainers. That means cheese predates cities and empires. Early humans turned milk into cheese to make it last. No refrigeration needed. Cheese packed all the nutrition of milk into a portable, durable snack. It helped people travel farther and survive harsh winters. So next time you eat cheese, remember, you're tasting a piece of human history. Every bite connects you to thousands of years of farmers and artisans. This humble food has traveled through time to land on your plate, and its story is just as rich as its flavor. The story of cheese starts with a happy accident. Picture an ancient traveler crossing a desert, carrying milk in a sheep's stomach. The heat and motion, plus natural rennet in the stomach, turned the milk into curds and whey. Instead of spoiled milk, he found a new food, cheese. The curds lasted longer than milk and tasted good. This accidental discovery changed everything. Now milk could be preserved for weeks or months. People everywhere learned to control the process, adding rennet, pressing curds, and salting cheese. What started as an accident became a craft. Cheese became a reliable way to store nutrition long after the milk was fresh. This simple process spread across the world. Early farmers could now save milk's goodness for lean times. Cheese was no longer just a lucky find, it was a survival tool. And it all began with a sheep's stomach and a little curiosity. Once cheese-making was mastered, it spread fast. Ancient cultures like Mesopotamia and Egypt made simple cheeses for daily life, but the Romans took it to the next level, creating many varieties and perfecting techniques for aging and preserving cheese. Cheese fueled Roman armies, acting as an ancient energy bar. As the Romans expanded, they shared their cheese-making secrets across Europe. After Rome fell, monks in medieval monasteries became the new cheese innovators. Monks experimented with milk, bacteria and aging, creating famous cheeses like Munster and Roquefort. They kept detailed records, refined recipes, and aged cheeses in caves for unique flavors. Their patience and precision turned cheese into a true culinary art. Many classic European cheeses owe their existence to these creative monks. Cheesemaking became a legacy, shaping tastes and traditions for centuries. From soldiers to monks, cheese was always evolving. So, what's really happening when milk becomes cheese? It's all about science. Milk contains proteins, fats, and sugars. The main protein is casein. Cheesemakers use acid or rennet to make casein proteins clump together, forming curds. Acid makes fresh cheeses like ricotta. Rennet is used for most others. Rennet acts like tiny scissors, snipping casein so it sticks together. The solid curds are separated from the liquid whey. Cutting and pressing curds removes more whey, making cheese firmer. Mozzarella keeps more moisture. Parmesan is pressed dry. Texture depends on how much whey is removed. Then comes aging. Cheese is stored for weeks, months, or years. Bacteria and enzymes break down fats and proteins, creating complex flavors. From nutty Gruyere to sharp cheddar, aging transforms simple curds into masterpieces. That's the delicious science behind every bite. Today, cheese is everywhere. Thousands of varieties, each with its own story. Every cheese reflects its place, its animals, and its makers. In Italy, there's creamy mozzarella. In Switzerland, nutty Gruyere. In Greece, salty Feta. In Mexico, stringy queso Oaxaca. Modern factories produce cheese by the ton, feeding nations. But small artisanal makers are reviving old traditions, crafting cheese by hand. Cheese connects us to the land, the seasons, and our history. Sharing cheese is sharing a tradition thousands of years old. Each bite is a taste of human creativity and adventure. From a sheep's stomach to a global delicacy, cheese is more than food. It's an edible record of our journey as humans. So next time you enjoy cheese, remember, you're part of its story, and the adventure continues with every bite.